Hi all, hope you're all okay. What I'd like you to do today is I would like you to complete activity 5. So it's a life skill activity which is involving you creating a presentation for this activity. Now, as you can see in the pack, it says that I would like you to use the information above, and that means I'd like you to use the information from the activity 4 to produce a 5-minute PowerPoint presentation of that above case study, so of the winter floods and the prolonged rainfall event in the UK in 2019 and 2020. Now, it does say in your pack to do a PowerPoint. If you don't want to do a PowerPoint and you would like to present using something else, so you could record a little video of you talking if you wanted to, or you can use, I think there's a program or an app called Prezi, or any other form of presentation is also acceptable. So it doesn't have to be PowerPoint, but PowerPoint is a good platform to use if you don't have any of those other platforms available. The 3 bullet points in your pack explain what I'd like you to include. So first of all, I'd like you to explain, using your hydrological terms from Unit 1, first of all, why prolonged rainfall causes excess runoff and flooding. So why, when you have lots of intense rainfall for a long period of time, why does that lead to excess runoff and flooding, using those hydrological terms from Unit 1. So terms such as infiltration, overland flow, saturation, etc., etc. So which processes are affected by that prolonged rainfall. Once you've done that, I'd then like you to go into your case study information. So I'd like you to summarise the extent of and the causes of that prolonged rainfall in winter and February in particular of 2020. You can put in video links here, you can put in pictures, you can put in news headlines, graphs, maps, anything you want to. The more visual the better, so you don't just have to use the information that's in your pack, you can do some additional research. And then really building on that, I'd like you to identify which areas were most severely affected and summarise the effects of the flooding. And if you really want to challenge yourselves, think about, were they long-term, were they short-term effect, were they local, regional, national, international maybe, primary impact, secondary impact, social, economic, environmental, and really try to be evaluative in your discussion of the effects of that flooding. Now at the bottom it says some of you will be randomly selected to present your finding to the rest of the class. Obviously we can't do this because we're not at college, but what I would like you to do when you are doing your presentation is I would like you to do either a voiceover using PowerPoint, and I will show you how to do that. I'll attach a how-to document, or do a little video clip of you doing this presentation. So it's not going to be shown to anybody else apart from me and potentially other members of the teaching staff in geography, but I would like to see you actually presenting this PowerPoint or this video or this Prezi once you've actually completed it. To add a little bit of an incentive for you, I will be offering stamps for any really good presentations. So there's as many stamps on offer as good presentations. I will also be offering a few badges to go on your lanyard when you go back to college for the very best presented presentations. And again, there is an unlimited number of those badges for those really excellent presentations. Okay, so a little incentive in terms of what you will actually achieve. Okay, so I hope that explains it. As I've said, I will put together a little how-to document about how to do a voiceover, and you can probably do it better than I have. And yes, I look forward to your presentations. I'd like them due in after half term, so it gives you about a week to prepare these presentations and then to actually present them and get them to me. So I'd like them in, if possible, by 4 o'clock on Friday the 29th of May. So it gives you a week to create and present those presentations. Thank you.